Craving a tone that turns heads and ignites your passion? In this video, we're unveiling the best guitar amplifiers that deliver everything from vintage warmth to modern bite. Whether you're shredding solos or laying down rich rhythms, stay tuned to find the amp that elevates your sound to legend status. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Boss Katana 50 Gen 3, the best budget guitar amplifiers. Upgrade your sound with the Boss Katana 50 Gen 3. This guitar amplifier stands out among budget options, offering a powerful mix of features for all skill levels. First, its impressive versatility makes it an excellent choice for practice and small gigs. Dual channels provide quick access to your favorite presets, making live transitions smooth and easy. The new amp model adds fresh tones, expanding your sound palette significantly. You can combine these with classic Boss effects for endless creative options. Portability is another winning factor. Its compact design makes traveling hassle-free without compromising sound quality. On top of that, deep editing capabilities through computer connectivity allow for extensive customization. Connecting to your digital audio workstation via USB is seamless, enhancing your recording process and creative workflow. What makes this amp even more appealing? The connectivity options ensure smooth integration into your existing rig. Plugging into a pedal board or interface is a breeze, allowing effortless setup. While built-in effects may not meet everyone's intricate design needs, ample tones help you explore exciting sounds. This minor limitation doesn't overshadow its superb capabilities. The Boss Katana 50 Gen 3 shines as a top budget amplifier. Up next, discover a powerhouse amp that packs epic tone into a wallet-friendly package. At number 4, we have Fender Mustang LT25, the best guitar amplifier for beginners. Elevate your sound with the Fender Mustang LT25. This amplifier shines as the best guitar amplifier for beginners, offering an impressive mix of features and ease of use. First off, the 30 onboard presets provide a rich variety of sounds. You can switch from classic Fender clean tones to fierce metal riffs quickly, helping you discover your unique style seamlessly. Experimenting with different genres feels natural and enjoyable. Quality effects make practicing exciting. From lush reverb to engaging pitch shifters, these additions enable you to create a dynamic sound. You won't just stick to simple tones, you'll dive deep into sonic exploration without feeling overwhelmed. Portability stands out in this model. Its compact design fits nicely in tight spaces, making it perfect for jam sessions away from home. While it does need a bit more volume when jamming with drums, this aspect encourages you to focus on smaller venues first. One feature I really love is the intuitive interface. Easier navigation eliminates frustration, especially for newcomers. You won't waste time figuring out how to adjust settings. However, some users may perceive the volume capacity as slightly limited in larger settings. But this serves as a gentle reminder to first hone your skills in more intimate environments. Stick around. Our next pick will unlock a universe of presets at your fingertips. Still searching for the perfect guitar amplifier? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Positive Grid. Spark 2, the best guitar amplifier for bass. Want a practice amp here that truly delivers. Positive Grid. Spark 2 is your ultimate partner for bass guitar enthusiasts. Tested extensively, this amp shines in every practice session. It does an incredible job replicating rich low-end tones, making it perfect for bass players. One standout feature is the exceptional sound quality. Full-range speakers reproduce every frequency, ensuring you enjoy rumbling lows and sparkling highs. Effects are top-notch, providing a professional sound even at lower volumes. You'll appreciate the speaker angle, which creates a three-dimensional tone that fills any space. Usability ranks high thanks to its powerful smartphone app. This app offers features like a metronome, an AI-powered backing band, and a built-in tuner. While you can control some functions directly on the amp, the app enhances your experience tremendously. You might prefer to use it, but you have options. 5 bass amp models give you choices that are excellently emulated. Although options seem limited, that allows for focused experimentation. For bass tones, Spark 2 outperforms many other practice amps on the market. A slight drawback centers on its reliance on the app for optimal use. However, this approach opens up a world of tones and features that traditional amps can't match. Spark 2 is a powerhouse built for dedicated practice, enhancing your sound and style. Hold tight, an app-driven amp is about to change your practice sessions forever. At number 2, we have Vox AC15C1, the best combo guitar amplifier. Unleash your music with the Vox AC15C1. This classic combo amplifier delivers iconic sound, appealing to both vintage enthusiasts and modern players alike. With over 60 years of craftsmanship, it stands out in any collection. You will love its wide tonal range, offering everything from crystal clear clean tones to rich, compressed overdrive. Highs shimmer with clarity, while the low end responds with power, making it perfect for any guitar type. Whether you strum single coils or humbuckers, expect excellent performance. The onboard tremolo effect impresses, featuring speed and depth controls. You can create smooth, gentle waves or switch to a choppy, rhythmic vibe. Additionally, the spring reverb bathes your sound in a warm layer, reminiscent of surf rock's golden age. This adds depth and character, elevating your playing experience. Compared to similar models, the Vox AC15C1 balances tone and usability perfectly. While it weighs a little more than some competitors, the punchy power makes it worth it. A 3-band EQ offers complete control over your sound, letting you shape your tone easily. What I appreciate most about this amp is its blend of classic aesthetics and advanced features. Musicians seeking sonic versatility will find this amplifier hard to beat. If you're after a classic tone with modern enhancements, explore what the Vox AC15C1 has to offer. Don't blink. Vintage-inspired vibrations that defined rock history are coming up. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Boss Acoustic Singer Live, the best guitar amplifier overall. Ready to elevate your musical performances? The Boss Acoustic Singer Live amps up your gigs in a way few other models can. This amplifier shines as the best choice for singer-songwriters, offering 2 dedicated channels, one for your guitar and another for vocals. Seamless blending ensures your sound flows beautifully. What really stands out is the built-in looper. This feature encourages creativity, allowing you to layer harmonies and riffs live. Imagine creating your own artistry reminiscent of Ed Sheeran right on stage. Additionally, Boss's reputation for high-quality effects delivers a richer musical experience, enhancing each performance. Connectivity options impress as well. Plugging in multiple devices becomes effortless, making this amp versatile for any live setup or recording session. Quick adaptability makes your musician life much simpler. Some might find this amp slightly bulkier than others in its class. However, that weight suggests robust build quality, ensuring long-lasting durability when transporting gear. What I love most is how naturally it minimizes the harsh piezo tone. This quality leads to a warmer, more inviting sound that your audience will appreciate. Each note resonates deeply, making performances captivating. In summary, the Boss Acoustic Singer Live offers an unbeatable combination of features that cater specifically to gigging artists. Explore this powerhouse and take your musical journey to new heights. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best guitar amplifiers. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which guitar amplifier you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.